Understanding the phrase, keep an ear out. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, keep an ear out. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind this phrase. The phrase, keep an ear out, is an idiomatic expression. It means to stay alert or listen carefully for something specific. For example, if someone says, keep an ear out for the doorbell, they're asking you to be alert and listen for the sound of the doorbell. This phrase is often used when someone is expecting important information or a significant sound. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help us to remember its meaning. The phrase, keep an ear out, likely originated from the need to be alert and attentive to sounds in one's environment. It suggests the image of literally extending one's ear to catch any specific sound or information. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. I'm expecting a call from the office, so keep an ear out for my phone. Keep an ear out for the weather update. We need to know if it's going to rain today. I'm baking in the kitchen. Can you keep an ear out for the oven timer? These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations. It's also useful to know similar phrases or synonyms. Some phrases that carry a similar meaning to keep an ear out include stay on the lookout, be on the alert, listen out for. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, keep an ear out, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing. And don't forget to keep an ear out for more exciting English learning content on our channel. See you next time.